Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to rate a product on the Perfume sClub application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should select a product that you want to give your review about. Tap on it and then you should scroll down. Tap on the stars icon and after that click on the rate button. You should give your rating out of 5 stars. Add your opinion title. Then you should type in your opinion, so share your experience of this product with us as it is said. So after that you should select whether you recommend it or not by tapping on the thumbs up or thumbs down button, and then you should select how long have you used this product. Tap on this button and click on send a comment to validate. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.